All right, is this mic work? Yes, everything can hear me? Or is OBS doing something stupid? Okay, mic works. Haven't done one of these streams in a long time. What's up, Tommy Logic? Oh, wait, I see. You can't. There you go. Now you can see my screen. What's up, Dragon Ninja? Ki-Fi. Let me turn this off. And go to that. Ew, TypeScript. Well, it compiles to everything, so. Yeah, pretty much all of NowPlaying was written in TypeScript. It's not. I like the language. I think it's better. It's obviously better than JavaScript, but. So basically what was happening was I decided, like, normally I'd do something like this. Oh, nice. Normally, like, on Saturdays I'll either write music or I'll be coding or something, and I usually do it by myself. And for some reason I just thought today I'd stream it. So I have no real idea why. I just decided to. So we were going off of, if I go here, I can't see it. It's a little hard to see, but basically if I go to feature requests, so Sequence asked me to, if there could be a way to like manually edit the NowPlaying variables, which kind of makes sense, you know, in a way. I think it'd be kind of interesting. At least for me, I thought it'd be funny to like do something crazy, like, you know, if you could use it to like type change the title to like happy birthday, or like saying something completely random. So I thought maybe I should add like a admin command or something to like just change the variables. So I started working on that a little bit just now, and then I was like, all right, yeah, fuck it, I'll do something like that. So yeah, that's basically what I did, what I'm doing. For some reason, so at this point, basically what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get it to sort of work. And I don't know why it's not working right now, but we'll give it a shot. So in the background right now is actually Rekordbox, and it's just playing music. And it's just auto playing, so that I could, so basically for NowPlaying, so it's actually working. And it gives you guys a little something to listen to in the background. All right, so NowPlaying track title, hello world. So I don't know why it's not sending history. See, that should have updated, and that's what I don't understand, why it's not working. See, that should have worked. Oh, and I also fixed that. What's up, Tyro? Tyro Pitch, Anthony, how's it going? Yeah, so I know. So you can do the debugger in here, but there's actually something screwed up in my VSC config. So it starts the debugger and then it immediately dies. So, and I haven't figured out what the hell's wrong with it. So, and I know I can fix it. I know it's something with just the launch.json file, but I was like, I'll deal with it. It's fine. All right, so let's try it again. See what happens. Oh, I know why. I never changed the ID. I forgot about that. That makes total sense. Okay, now I know why. Set track set. So we have to set the track. Track equals. Can't set it. So we'll set track to. Oh wait, sorry, no. What I need to do is I need to force the ID number to be different. Do I have anywhere in my code? Do I have? Did I set a UUID? I can't remember if I set it to something completely random. UUID 4. Yes, I did. Okay, cool. So I'll use that instead. So that should force the ID to just always change. There's a lot of stuff in this code which is like kind of crazy because it was built up as something that I was just playing with, and it just got built up over time, and then eventually now it's just this. There's a lot of tech debt, but I can deal with it. So we'll set track. Yes. How did I do it last time? UUID? UUID v4. So it's just basically a random ID. Set the value. Oops. args.value. And I'm going to, because I'm just being lazy, I'll just tell TypeScript to ignore it. Ignore that thing. What's up, JD? Hey, by the way, if you guys want to hear some specific kind of music or anything, or whatever you want to listen to, just let me know. All right. What did I change here? Okay, so let's try this. Let's try this out again. Still love this song. right, let's see. Oh, yes. So let's go here. Not sending message. Hey, it works. Yay, look. See, this is hello world. So now I can do... There you go. So technically then I should be able to do... Let's see. Also, I should be able to say track label equals my os. Oh, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Why couldn't I set the label? That's odd. Track. Oh, I see why. I know why. Okay. Yeah, I know what the problem is. Okay. So anything you change. Let's change this. So we have to change this to import. Because the reason why that didn't work is because the ID number. So whenever the NowPlaying changes tracks, NowPlaying changes tracks whenever. So there's an ID. So if you look at this, if you look at the actual data that's sent that's sent to the screen or to the overlay, there's the ID number. That ID number is generally just an MD5 hash, or it's like a UUID or something like that. And only if that changes does the actual, that's when it actually shows up on the screen. So that is computed based on the title and artist. So if you change anything else, it won't change that number. So what I have to do in this case is I have to change it. So basically I'll just do an MD5 hash of the entire object, which would make more sense. That way, if anything in the whole object changes, then the ID will change. All right, so let's try it out. I like this new HUD thing. You see this up on the top of the screen? It says chat. The chat room's up on the top of the screen. It's actually on my screen, like actually what I see. So it's on my it's literally on my desktop, which is pretty cool. So so it actually, so what, you know how it's actually covering the code and stuff like that. Yeah, well, I can't see behind it. Yeah, it's with Lumia Stream. It's called a HUD display, which is really cool. So, like, literally, if you're playing games, the chat window will show up on top of your game as you're playing it. So it's kind of cool. Where was I? Oh, yes. So, where's NowPlaying? Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's try to set the label. NowPlaying track label la 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 la. So this should change it. And now the label should be la 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 la. Yep, there it is.
I know you know the doorman. Did you tell him not to let me in?
So what if I try to set something that doesn't exist?
I see how things
La
go
la la.
now.
That shouldn't do anything.
You
Yeah.
just used me for my thrill.
Key doesn't exist in track.
Go ahead
Okay.
and keep
So
on
basically now what I need to do is I need to make it so if the key doesn't exist in the track, it should message the admin
'cause I got the pills.
or do something. Maybe I should make this. Yeah, it's fine. I'll just do it. No. I haven't messed around with the whole chat GPT thing. And I don't want to feed I don't want to feed chat. I don't want to feed a machine learning thing my code, because then technically it's going to go into the training model, and I don't want any of my code in their training models because it's not open source. It's not closed source. It's not open sourced. So, yeah, I'll just cheat. I'll just do this.say, which is a function. Doesn't really matter what it is.
I see how things go now. You just used me for my
I'm cheating. This is not really a good way to do it, but whatever.
Go ahead and keep on dancing.
Set track. So can't set this key. Because it doesn't exist. And then this dot say.
Cause I got the pills.
Let's change this. Violet, oh hey, what's up? Oh, thanks for the shout out. Yeah, cool, awesome. Yeah, I don't know what happened last night. Like at the very end, I was just like, fuck it, I just want to play some like hardcore, and then I was like, crap. Now I gotta raid somebody, and I had no idea who to raid, and I was like, oh, you're playing hardcore, perfect. Click. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually messing around with NowPlaying. I'm trying to add some like admin commands to it so you can kind of, so like where's my OBS? Oh wait, overlay's not on. I don't know why. Okay, so let's do it this way. Oops. Let's change this to 1920 by 200. Hit OK. All right, where do I put this on the screen? I'll just make it small. It's fine. The screen looks like a fucking mess, dude. let's just, yeah, we'll just leave it there for now. Okay. Oh, I almost clicked the stop streaming button for some reason. I was like, oh my god. What's up, vibes? Okay, so what should happen if you look closely, let's do this. Make that big for now. Just so if I go into the chat room and type in now playing track title, all your, so that should change the title to so now you can manually change it. And this is stemming from a request from DJ Sequence, who basically said he wanted a way to like to manually change it. Yo, what's up, Demi? What's up, Holmes? Yeah, he wanted like a way to manually change it because he plays vinyl, and like there's literally no way to manually for Now Playing to work with vinyl. So like if he ever plays vinyl, well, yo, so we actually grabbed a copy for a recording. It was the first 3 hours was this, we're talking about the Dave show that we did 2 weeks ago. We lost the first 2 or 3 hours, but whatever, it's fine. There's a whole bunch of, there's a lot of the content was like screen capped. So oh no, it's a totally reasonable request, and it makes sense. Like, so if you're playing vinyl and like you can type it, so hopefully, so what you can do is type in track title some song off vinyl. So now you see the bottom of the screen there. It'll say some song off vinyl, and then you can set the title and artist to whatever you want. You know what? I wonder if I could do this. I wonder if that's gonna work. No, it didn't. I should make that work though, because then you don't have to type in 2 commands. You can just type in 1. Which means that the track has to go through. It has to go through the metadata filter. So right now it's manual. Maybe I'll make it go through the metadata filter. What is it? Apply filters? No. Yeah, I could just make it go through the metadata filter. This is a function. Why is this? Metadata handler. Why? Wait, why is this not a import metadata handler? Oh wait. Oh, it has to. I have to do it. Wait. Okay. It's fine. I'll just import it real quick. Will this work somehow for us? So, I mean, you'll have to so you'll have to manually type it all. Put a camera over the vinyl and detect songs from the label. Oh yeah, like, okay, right. You're gonna put a camera on there, and as it's spinning, we're gonna OCR it. Actually, it probably would work if you just snapshot it and then did an OCR in every snapshot until it worked. But that would be a pain in the ass, so no. Wait, where is this? Why? Added data enhancers. Oh, that'd be cool. So like if somebody, this is so it's actually somebody types in a song that actually exists and, and it finds it. That would be kind of cool. All right, so let's see here. Oh, fuck, I have to wait it. Private async. Set track. Oh no. I have to put that, it's in there. Fuck. Okay, wait. Async. Let's move this to here. Yeah, fuck it, I'll just hack it. Hey, what's up, dude? Oh, actually the globe doesn't work here because it's a totally different computer. But you know what? Hold on. Do I have it? Do I have it on here? No. Let's see here. Globe. Wait 1 second. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. So studio mode. Since it's in private beta, I can't show you how to get to it. Right? All right, so let's do this. Is that gonna work? Yeah, this screen is a total fucking mess now. All right. There you go. There's your globe. I should move my camera up though. There we go. What is 1501? Australia? Wait, did you raid? Oh my god, Nocturnal! What's up, dude? How's it going? Thanks for the raid, dude. Obviously I'm not DJing, so sorry if you're here for the DJing. Let's get rid of this. I don't need that either. Yeah, sorry, I'm doing it's totally just different pop-up like thing for today. I don't know. Just decided to. Yeah, I just didn't want to play trance. It's just like house music that I have. Oh my god, that globe looks crazy. Yeah, there's a bug in the globe. I know there. So if I do a globe reset, right? So if you do globe reset, and then you have to actually refresh it for now. But what it should do is, if you do globe reset, it removes all the pins. So you have to start. So it starts over. I grow with these tracks too. There's all. Oh my god, dude! Wow, this track. This is like a collection of just stuff that's in my record box. Hadn't heard this in a while. All right, so we don't need user. We do need. What if we don't do this? So set const track to get the current track. Parse the message. You know what? Just fuck this. I don't need this thing. Just don't return it. Oops, sorry. So we'll say args equal to that, and then need to change these to split. If the action is track, then let's set the track to args. Get rid of this function. Let's take, since we track, we'll do a little later. So let's put that here. What's wrong here? Why isn't it like, oh, I said it twice. So get the current track. If the track has the current property, say so. If it doesn't, tell the streamer that he screwed up. Okay, and then set the key, create a new ID. Actually, this should be a let, not a blah blah blah. Then go through the metadata enhancer, and I just thought of something. It might not work, because then if you just type in title-artist and the artist is blank. Is it? Where do I in this code somewhere, I forgot where I split the artist. Oh, here. If there's a track, if the artist is blank, it only works. What if I force it so that the artist is blank? And then you can set title. So if you set title, yeah, what happens if I do that? Oh, you know what I could do? I could just say if the title is set here, set track args, set track args, current track. If it's not there, fine. I'll make an if statement here. If args dot key is equal to title, then we should also set track dot artist equals nothing. That'll blank out the artist at the same time. Okay, I think that'll work. So then it should be await admin dot handle command. Oh, I need to add in the user as well. Forgot about that. All right. Bastion's Billion, how's it going? Mistress Somi's feeling better this morning. She's eating again. Oh, that's awesome. Thanks for showing me the chat room, Bash. This is a different stream from what we normally do. We always normally do music streams, but if you're new, cool, man. Have a nice day. So anyways, no, the auto mod caught it. Here, you can see what he said. He was spamming the chat. That's cool. Didn't see the auto mod caught that. No, I think Twitch caught it. Oh, you know what? I forgot what's this. I think as a partner, I'm allowed. I can report people. How do I do that? So a while back they told all they had like these meetings for partners, and they in those meetings they told you if you run into this kind of stuff that you should report it, because eventually they collect basically files on people who they report, and eventually at some point I guess they do something. No, that's it. Okay, wait. How do I do that? Tap on the username, select report in the menu that appears. Ah. There we go. There you go. Next. Can you give us more information? Wait, there was a timestamp. Hold on, let's go back. What was the timestamp on that? Is there a timestamp on this thing? How do I show timestamp? Where's the timestamp thing? I thought you can turn on timestamps. Chat appearance, timestamp. There it goes. It's 307, so about 307. Okay. So reports. Next, 3:08 p.m. on January 21st, 2023. 3 p.m. PST. Let's try this out. Yeah. Metadata, no applying cleanup. Took out the artist. Set I remember. Pentatrack history. Huh. That's funky. Damison, what's up? Have you tried VS Code Pets? What the hell is that? What the hell's that? Oh my god, it puts a little cat on your in your thing. Okay. That'd be distracting. Why doesn't it? Okay, it's split it, which doesn't make any sense. That should have worked. I'm not sure why this doesn't work. What I was expecting it to do is if I type in a pretty well-known song, that it has to go through the metadata filter, which then would pick it up on. Let's do something different. Let's do this. I'm gonna change the song to this. I'm gonna quick change the song. And this should change to I Remember. Okay, so it definitely picked it up through that. Okay, so it picked up the track. Dead Mouse, Cascade, I Remember, query. So if I type this in manually, what's up? Did pick it up this time. What the fuck? Applying Discog data. Or this isn't. No. Well, it kind of works. Yeah, I don't know. That should. Maybe I should just make it blank out the whole thing. As if it were a brand new track. Yeah, I should probably do that instead. Let's do that instead. artwork. So to blank it out, why don't you like it? ID needs to be declared. Oh, of course it does. Fucking forgot. Okay. Take that out, set the key, set the ID to the whole track. All right, let's try it again. Let's try this again. All right, so what this is going to do now is that if you set the variable, it'll reset the entire track as if it were a brand new track. It should run through the data enhancers. All right, let's test this out. All right, JD. Thanks, dude. Go suck. This is such a funny fucking match. Oh, wait. This might be in the wrong order. Wait a fucking minute. Apply remix. So if I do this, if I change the order, maybe that'll work. Getting jiggy with it. Ah, it works. That's sick. So if I do 3 Dries Grease 2000. Oh, yes. Sick. So now you can type in anything you want. And it should work. Boom. So you can type in anything you want and it'll fucking do it. Let's do... So like you could type in any fucking song now. That's cool. I don't know why that album art came up, but whatever. Midnight Nexus, what's up? All right. That's pretty cool. All right. So basically it has to do the other, I had to change the order of operations. Oh, you figured out how, so what was the thing? Did Twitch fix the issue, Anthony? MIRC. So how do you do? What do all the emotes look like? They just come up as text, so you have to kind of like. Yeah, I know it's an IRC. It's actually the back end is actually IRC. So like all the emotes that they just like show up as a pile of words that make no sense. No, so when you the chat message, the raw data from the chat message, all of the actual emotes show up as they're actually just like words. So like, you know, when you do the try out heart, it's try out one heart. So it actually reads try out one heart in the chat room. But then when it goes onto the client, it replaces all those words with the actual emotes. So if you look at the raw data, it shows up as a bunch of freaking words. Oh yeah, that's what it does. What do emojis show up as? Like, because technically they're I guess they're UTF-8 characters. Did they just not appear? They come up as Unicode? Yeah, Unicode, sorry. It'd be like, OMG, that must be a nightmare for you, colon, right parenthesis. That would skip them, but obviously since I'm not using a browser, that's not working. Yeah. All right, this actually works. So I'm kind of happy about how this turned out. Now, the next part of this piece of code that I have to figure out is currently the only person who can use, well, actually, technically anybody can use that. Right now, anybody can use that command. Hands with stretch. Oh, it actually says face with hands stretched out for a hug. So what does this show up as? So if I type this in, what does that say? Smiling poop toilet. Oh, it doesn't say anything? Well, that sucks. It's the poop emoji and a toilet emoji. IRC doesn't know what a poop emoji is. Okay. Alright, so we don't need the metadata enhancers, so we're good with that. So the next part of this code that I have to write is so right now I have to lock it. So I have to lock it down so that only the streamer can use it, or at least mods can use it. So the simple way is just only allow the streamer to use this command. To make it so that mods can use it, I have to code in a whole thing to go check if the user is actually a mod, and I've never done that in this program before, or I've never done it before, so it's something I have to look up. So I think oh no, I did lock it down, so I don't think anybody else can use this command. So somebody else go in and type in like exclamation point now playing track space title space and then something. Well, no, I think it makes sense that a user should, like a mod should be able to do it. So if anybody can type in like a track or something. Here, I'll tell you what to type in. Okay, so anybody in the chat room can type in that command for me, because right now it's set up so that I can do it, but I want to make sure that you can't do it. What's up, Vicious? It's right here on the screen, so I need somebody that's not me to type this command in. Does it work? Did anybody type it? No. Now playing space track space title space and then like something. Actually, I should just make it like track. Oh. Here. I'll zoom in. Type in all of this, the whole thing. No, you have to type in the whole thing. Okay. Yeah, so it didn't actually change. Okay. So it definitely doesn't work. Okay, that's good. Maybe I should... it seems long to type that whole thing in. Maybe I should just make it so you type in exclamation point now playing and then just the title and the title of the song. Yeah, that's probably too long to type. I think that's too much for a streamer to type. Let's see. So handle admin command. Message split. So forget the action, forget the key. So I'll just say split one join. Let's do that. And then wait set track. And we'll change the track title and set that to string. And let's just assume that it's then an actual track. So then we set title to track title. Then we can ignore that. Change the ID to the whole thing. Oh, Vicious. So now I think if you type in exclamation point ID, I fixed that user thing, so you can type that in now. Yeah, so and if you I'll show you the interface. I added something different. So in the interface now, if you look on the screen, I added a template. So the track ID has a separate template from the actual automated tracks. So when you switch tracks, it'll use one template, but if you type in ID, you can set it to a different template. So then you could type in, at user, and then you could type in whatever you'd like. This is React. This is done in React. So it's a separate track ID. And then I'm adding now an admin command. So like, save. All right, let's try this over again. Yeah, it was like that bug has been sitting around. And actually, you know what's really funny? I found another bug while I was there. So the other bug was if you go in here, this little enable track ID command, it actually completely ignored it. So whether it was on or off, it was always on. So that was a bug. Yeah, so I know you asked about that. I know it was a bug, and then DJ Sequence asked about like this whole admin sort of thing, this admin command. I was like, okay, well, they're both all inside of the Twitch code, so I might as well just do them both at the same time. So it made sense. So now you can type in literally, so let's try, so now what you can do is you can type in !now playing, and it will actually change it now for you. And this time it's kind of cool. What's kind of cool is it'll go through the metadata stuff. So what if you type it in, it'll look for the album art too. Oh, wait. It's going to change the song. All right, so maybe I got to go back here. All right, so can you make the button options on top one line instead of two lines? What do you mean? Those on top, the tab buttons are. Oh yeah. Those tabs are fucking enormous. I haven't messed around with that too much. I was actually going to change them all to the icons instead. Just haven't gotten around to that. Yeah, they're huge. That's what she said. Okay. So that should do it. Oh yes, I already did this part. Say, actually, I don't need this either, do I? Yeah. Yeah, I don't need this. Screw that. And I don't need this. And I don't need the logger. All right, that simplified things. Handle command. Don't need that. Don't need that. Do I need this socket? Oh yeah, I do need the socket. Okay. All right, so let's restart this. Yeah, I know they look like shit. I just haven't fixed them up. It's just a lot of CSS fucking with. Let's see. That's okay. Oh, let's see. Where is... So what I probably should do... tab, class name. Where is that class again? Where's the classes? I keep forgetting where I put them. Oh, yes. Settings. Nope. Where'd I put the tab stuff? Shit. I don't remember where I put all this shit. Settings, tabs. All right, let's clean this up. Well, we're here. Might as well just fucking clean this up. Software selection, subscription, OSC main screen. Where the fuck did I put this stuff? Settings page. It's under tab. Settings tab. I make settings. Settings title. Right? Settings _ tab. Here. Font weight. Settings. Tabs. _ tab. Let's just do this and see what happens. Underscore smaller. All right. Oh, now they're fucking tiny. Yeah, that looks a little better. At least they're not these enormous fucking tabs anymore. Let's make 0.9. Okay, that looks better. 0.9 looks good. That's a little easier. Okay, so that's that. And then on the Twitch page, let's see. Yeah, the UI is okay. I mean, there's some parts of it though which I kind of wish I would like to change. I'm gonna switch this song up. Like I don't really like how these tabs look, but you know, they're okay. And these tabs are now fucking, these tabs are bigger than these ones. That's gonna bug me later. But I'll fix that later. Okay, so admin command, what should I use as an artist or title? I would add a 1 pixel border to the tabs. Yeah, but then if inner outer border, what I wanted to do, what I'd like to do is just make this a drop down instead, or make them icons and things, but I'll leave that alone for now. Because I think the more pressing issue is that this admin command should be able to be used by mods. Make up track title. All right, so let's look. Put them around quotes. So now that's what it'll say. Use this command to manually change the title and artist. Example, now playing artist title. So, and if I change this, oh, it doesn't change. Shit. Damn it. Force refresh. There you go. That's better. So now I can. That's better. Okay, that works. I'm gonna make that smaller now because it's gonna drive me crazy. What was the CSS I used for that again? Where is it? Tabs. Settings underscore tab. Where's the settings? Oh, here. All right, now. Okay, so now they're the same size. No, the globe stuff is definitely not going to go into Now Playing. The reason for that is because I have all the GPS stuff actually goes through an API key and stuff like that. I don't want. I have a whole different idea about how I want to do that, and so I don't. There's so much other code that goes with it because it talks to servers and everything, and I don't want that to get muddied up with Now Playing. Like I want to keep Now Playing like just. You know, the whole idea with Now Playing is that it's only specifically the DJ app, and that's all it does. It doesn't do anything else other than that. Okay, so that's cool. So, all right, so we're good there. All right, so let's save all this shit. Let's see all this stuff that we added. All All right, so this change order of metadata enhancers. Let's see, that changed. So that's part of it. That's part of it. Twitch admin commands, change the chat client. That's part of it. No, that's not part of it. That's not part of it. That's not part of it. That's part of it. That's just fine. Okay, so add ability. Yo, Jordan, what's up, dude? Let's see. And then this one, and this one. Fix UI for tabs. Oh, he modified it, really? That's cool. Yeah, he has his own idea of a roll call thing. I wonder what he did. No, I'm working on the now playing code. So I made it now. So let me just go back and add the thing, the now playing. So at the bottom of the screen now, let me just move this up so you can kind of see it a little bit better. Let's close that. Okay, so there is now playing. And in the chat room now, I can type in some other track manually. So if you look at the chat room, I type that in, and now you can manually basically you can manually change the track itself. And this is specifically because I think like people who, well, for DJ Sequence, who uses vinyl, and obviously the now playing can't read vinyl, so you can manually type in a song title now, and it'll also try to run that through. It'll run that through the metadata enhancers. So if you can if the internet knows about that song that you typed in, it'll find the album art and all that other stuff. So you can kind of type in, you know, I can probably type in anything you want. So let's see here. So you can probably type in, let's see here. Does that work? Let's look. Yeah. Like you can literally type in whatever you'd like. Just because our audio goes through our stream computer. You'll have to manually type it in. You'll have to manually type it in, like every time. And also, I guess you have to bypass the you'll have to bypass the auto detector, because it's, when you open the app, it waits for it to actually pick up a track, or pick up the DJ app. I mean, to post in the forums about Now Playing and XDJ and USB, typically can use in record box. So if you want to use Now Playing with just like you mean your USB stick? Okay, so what you want to use is you'll want to use Pro DJ Link mode. So don't turn on record box. If you export all your music to a USB stick, put the USB stick in the XDJ. Connect the XDJ via the Ethernet link to your router. And then on your streaming computer, put Now Playing on that streaming computer, and it'll pick up the fact that your XDJ is on the network using ProLink, and then it'll read all the data. It should read all the data off of the USB stick instead. All right, so now the question is, to make this work for... Yeah, you have to connect the XDJ. You connect your XDJ to your router. Don't connect it to a USB. Don't connect it to your computer. You have to connect it to your router. Let's see. I had this idea the other day of doing like something called Now Playing office hours, where like I would just like once a month or something like that get on stream for 2 hours or something, and just say, okay, join the stream and I'll answer all of your questions, or something like that. We used to do that at work. We used to have office hours. When you can't reach the manager all the time, he or she has like a office hours where they'll be in the office with nothing to do except for just people can walk in and ask questions and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll take at some point. I'm gonna have to take a break. Let's see, what else was there? Oh yes. So how to make it so that it's a mod? That's the next question. I'm using Twerple, aren't I? Yes, I'm using Twerple. So let's go to the Twerple website. And Twerple. Here. All right, so here's the API documentation for Twerple. Let's go to the chat reference, chat client. So this says will be removed by Twitch on February 18th of this year. Use the Helix moderation to get moderators instead. Oh, how to use Lumia Stream, like just in general or with Now Playing? Oh, with Now Playing. So what you can do with Lumia Stream, I was supposed to. I've been meaning to make a video about this, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. There's a couple things you can do. So if you want to make a completely custom overlay, you go to overlays. So let's say add a new overlay, and we'll call it just call it new overlay, like this. And then you can add a layer General. Where is it? Oh no, it's not general. Labels. Yeah, labels, and it's down here somewhere. Artist. Add layer, labels. Where's song title? Song playing. So save that. And then you take this copy URL and you then, I guess it's the browser. Yeah. I'm doing the really fast version of it. Paste it here. Hit OK. So now it should be on the screen. Yeah, see? So now you can change this and remove all this stuff. And content, remove all this stuff. And is there, can I zoom in on this window? Like it's kind of, I know it's small. Oh my God. Well, that's interesting. All right, well, yeah, I guess not. I'll just have to zoom in manually. So if I click on this layer, let's move this guy here, move this here just for now. So styling, I can now, so in styling now I can change the font. Make it that font. Actually, let's see. Yeah, whatever. It's got a lot of fonts in here. Yeah, so there I changed that font. Change the size to like 50. Right. And actually I can just confirm, delete this layer. I can change this content now. So title, so now playing, artist. And then I can change the content to now playing by there. Save. There. So that's basic. That's in an essence. That's how you can use now playing with it. And so in this case now, because now you can, because now you have the ability to change all the, you know, writing mode, right to left. You can change it left justify it. You can right justify it. You can center it. You know, this gives you a lot more. This gives a lot of different things you can do. So let's add. Let's see here. Let's add image. Set. So let's change the image to a variable. So now playing. This should work. Album. Oh, artwork. Select. Does it work? Oh no, it doesn't work. There was a way to do this. I can't remember how to do this. Yeah, there was a way to do it. I forgot now. But yeah, basically that's more or less how you would pull it off. Right. And there's a bunch of other stuff, like you can make it an alert instead. So under alerts, under now playing, and then you click on switch song, you can have it, whenever you switch songs now, you can have it do all kinds of weird shit. Like you can have it change layers in OBS. You can have it tweet. Whenever you change the songs, you can have it set off lights if you have the lights set up. yeah, it can do all kinds of stuff. You can even have it like do text to speech. So yeah, it's pretty powerful what it can do. There's just a lot of stuff in here, which I have to explore. But that's more or less how you would do it. And I said I have to make a video about this at some point. That I promised them to make them a video, like a tutorial video, that they can put on their website. It's on a list of things I have to do. So there you go. In fact, what you see is at the top of the screen here. All this stuff up here at the top right or top left, that's actually done by Lumia. It's an overlay for your computer. So it's actually on, like, that's what what you're seeing, my desktop, that's actually on my desktop right now. So if I stop streaming, it's still there, and it's literally on the screen for me. So if I'm playing a game or something, like it's meant for gamers. So what they have is if you're playing a game, you can have the chat window at the top of your screen on top of your game. And then the thing that they have is these like let's see what happens if I put preview. Oh, okay. I don't know how to use this, right? But what basically happens is you can make it so that people can use channel points to do a jump scare. Or I've seen it where they can use a channel point and then it puts a gigantic Sonic the Hedgehog right in front of your game. So as you're playing your game and people want to fuck with you while you're playing a game, they can put a giant hedgehog, Sonic the Hedgehog right in front of you and you can't see anything you're playing, which is kind of funny. Obviously I don't do that, but that was kind of the whole point. You can give the streamer a jump scare. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna leave the mods thing out of the way for now, because now I gotta go through this get moderators, retrieves a list of moderators. What is this? Helix moderation API. Do I have an API client? Top of my list right now, the things to do is head to bed. Oh my God. Yes, 2:00 in the morning. Have a great night. Have a great night, dude. Thanks for hanging out. Let's see here. Do I have okay, so new Twitch chat client. Yeah, I do have a chat client. Your mods are trolls. Well, I could just make a button that says, for the streamer only, but also for mods. You know what though? I mean, I could just release it as is for now, as a beta. Right? Did I change anything? Oh yeah. That's a cleanup. That's a cleanup. All right. Clean up. That one. That one. Bump version. Push the code up. All right, so is that done? Yeah, that's done. So, did I make a script for this already or not? Deploy.sh. Yeah. Let's see here. Yep. network. Triode, not network. Users. Okay. So yes. Thank you, Brethren, for the gift sub. Antenna, I can't pronounce that. Atanasco 3594. Thank you for joining us. Whatever. Go away. All right, so I'm on the Windows machine now. Pull out the code, git checkout 2.3.2. And then what was it again? Oh yeah, package. All right, compile the Windows version. Compile the Mac version. Yes, trolling mods. But I think it's kind of funny. Yeah, for now it only allows the it will only allow the streamer. I'll probably add that. I'll have to figure out how to add that later. That would be funny if they control using the now playing troll. They can like add like sandstorm every time. That would be funny. So yeah, where'd that window go? Oh, here it is. Here's the window up here. So I think, yeah, well, I'm compiling the Mac and the Windows version now. And I'll put it out as a beta to try it out. I fixed the Twitch user thing, so that should work now. Is there a way, can I make this like overlay like semi-transparent? Open as HUD. No, wait, that's not what I want. If I edit this HUD. This HUD is pretty, this HUD is an awesome feature. I fucking love it. It's super cool. Oh, here, opacity. Save. Oop. Is it now transparent? Yeah, it's kind of transparent. Let's turn it down another notch. All right, hello, test. Oh yeah, that's kind of like you can kind of see through it. See that? That's pretty cool. I like that. Is there already an idea of why Virtual DJ is not logging some? No. I have no idea. Do you have a copy, like, do you have a bunch, like some tracks and stuff like that, you know, that showed up and didn't show up? Like, do you know if you can, like, I'm wondering if it's the tracks or if it's something else. I'm gonna look at, oh, it's still compiling. Hold on. Main, where is it? What's it? It's under, oh, there, virtual DJ, dummy. Virtual DJ. Get latest track, and that comes off of the ID3, right? Or not the ID3, comes off the M3U file. I mean, so there's two things here. So I can't tell if it's the track that's screwing up Virtual DJ. Right. So here's the thing. Virtual DJ has two ways of getting the information. Right? Yeah, it has a browser setting, has the virtual history. It actually dumps it into two places. The first place it dumps it is a history file, which just gives you the all it gives you is the artist and title of the track, right? It also creates an M3U file. The M3U file has the artist and title, but it also has the file location of the actual song, which is much better, right? So I don't use the history file. This is what everybody else on the internet has used. I use the M3U file. The M3U file gives me the file path of the actual song. And so then I actually go there instead and get all the ID3 tags. That way I can get the album art, I can get the label, and get anything that you've put into the metadata into the track. With the other, if you only just go with the history file, all you have is artist and title, and that's all you have. There's no art, there's no album art, there's no nothing. I can search the internet for it, but why would I do that if I already have the file on the hard drive? I could just grab all the information directly off the file. So, should I check the M3U file of the sets in question? Yeah, you can check there. So that's how it works. So, here's actually the code that it does. It literally, what it does, it goes and pulls the histories. So every second, right? Actually, no, it sets pulse sec. So pulse sec is 5. So I'm sorry, every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, it goes and looks for the M3U file. And it looks for any changes in that M3U file. If there's a new change in that M3U file, then it starts that process. It'll take so here's get latest track, get the last M3U file, read the M3U file, get the very last track, because it's going to have a couple of them in there. It's going to have whatever the one at the very end. So it grabs that. Is this another? Oh. This song's just fucking long as fuck. Okay. Oh no, I have 2 versions of it. Okay, that's why. How do you shuffle? Is there a shuffle button for this? Random playback. That's what I want. Click. Yes, okay, random playback. Play me something else random. I was like, why is it playing that damn song twice? Oh, okay. It's in alphabetical order. It's literally playing these songs in alphabetical order. I just put it's just a playlist. It's just house music, and I just put it in there. So anyways, yeah, so it'll read the MP3 file, pick the last one off of it, and it'll grab the location of the file, and that's all it does. It grabs the location of the file, then it goes back and finds, it reads that file, gets the ID3 tags from the file. So if it's not showing up in the M3U file, then it might not be a now playing issue. You know what I mean? I have to look in if the tracks are not in MP are also not in M3U. If they're in the M3U, then Now Playing should figure it out. But if they're not in the M3U, then that is more indicative of the virtual DJ then. Or it's also possible that it is in the M3U and Now Playing is not doing something correctly with the M3U file. In that case, it'll be in the debug log. So it'll tell you no files found. It can't read it. Something might have, something happens. So that's how virtual DJ works. And if you turn on in Now Playing, if you turn on verbose debug mode on Mac or Windows, you can tail the log file. And so what happens is as things are happening, it'll show on the screen what's actually, what's being done. That's what I do to debug Now Playing, is I just tail the debug log. And pretty much the debug log contains pretty much every single last thing that the app is doing in verbose mode, including the data that's grabbing, what it's looking for, how it's changing the data, if it gets the file, when it reads it, what it pulls out of it. It puts all that stuff in the debug log. The only thing it doesn't put in the debug log is when the app flat out crashes. If the app flat out crashes, it won't go in the debug log. Because obviously the app crashed and it couldn't even do that. So it should basically just tell you everything that it's doing. All right, so now that that's there, let's see, deploy. Oh, do I have to change? I have to change this to beta, don't I? Yes, I do. So package, stable, beta. Deploy 2.3.2-beta.1. I think this should work. How did I write this? Version equals that beta 1 and then channel beta. All right, uploading 2.3.2 beta 1. So that should work. I should be uploading now. Wait a second. Why? What the fuck? Uh-oh. Wait a second. Wait a second. Should not compile that other version. It shouldn't compile the ARM64 version because I have to go back and change a whole bunch of stuff to make that work, and I haven't done that yet. Where is that piece of shit? Oh wait. DMG. I think it should be fine. Okay, they are the M3U. Do you know which ones? Do you know which ones showed up and which ones didn't? Okay. Can you send me that M3U file? Okay, how about this? Send me the M3U file. This song again? Oh wait, fucking hell, man. How many copies of this damn song do I have? No, I heard that one already too. We're gonna skip that one. All right, yeah, that's fine. We'll play that one. Depends. So internally, they'll have code review. They'll do that way. There's a whole section of community stuff for Elgato that's like, just do whatever the fuck you want. You kind of know Pascal. Actually, Pascal was one of the first languages I ever learned. It was in... when did I learn that? Learn Pascal? 93, 94. That was one of the first languages I learned, was Pascal. All right. Anthony, you still working on that file? I don't know why this song is in this playlist. It's okay. Yeah, I'm older than I look. Actually, it's kind of funny. I end up talking to the guys who make Lumia Stream a bit. Every once in a while, we go in these long, we'll talk for a little tiny bit. We go into this long conversation for like half an hour, and then we talk a lot about coding. Like there's this one time I figured out how to get inside, how to find his source code, and I showed it to him. He's like, "How'd you find that?" I'm like, "I did it this way." He's like, "Damn it!" And so he locked it down. Now I can't do it anymore. So I'm like, I mean, good for him. It's actually probably something I will have to do at some point, is lock down this code. So, because I know of a way you can actually get inside of here. Inside of my code, but I'm not going to tell you, but it is possible. But it just takes me some work to lock it down. I'm like, ugh, who cares? If somebody's going to really steal a $5 app, go fucking steal it. I don't care. Honestly, it's like, it's $5. Like, you're going to steal it? Fine. If you're going to go through all the work to steal it, fine, take it. And all the bits and parts of the code that matter specifically around the activation server is it's actually on a server, so it's not anywhere that you can see it unless you hack the server. I think Anthony's still working on the file. So in the meantime, what we'll do? Oh wait. Oh wait, no. You know what? I can still run this. I was gonna say I can't use Rekordbox and Virtual DJ at the same time with Now Playing, but I actually no, I can. What I can do is I can just Virtual DJ. Yeah, he's probably working on it. I haven't used Virtual DJ much. I don't know much about it. Okay, so... Alright, so now I'm in Virtual DJ mode. Virtual DJ. Let's take a look. You've been updated. Virtual DJ has been updated. Do you want the new version? Yes, no, yes, no. My mind will be blown away. Oh, fuck yes. Yes. I want that. I want my mind to be blown away. Sorry, things crashed badly here. That's all good. I think I have to update Virtual DJ anyway. Yes, you know what's interesting? I've had that problem too. I can't quite figure out exactly what it is. I thought it was just me. Hold on, I'm gonna screenshot that. Let me go to Lumia stream. Are you on Mac, Orange Crush? Are you on a Mac or are you on a PC? You're on, oh, you're on PC? Okay. I'll just report it. I'm not sure exactly what it is. But, let's see here. Intermittently, the update doesn't work. It starts to download, but so what happens is it sometimes it looks like it's starting to download, and then nothing happens. So that's what happens to me. All right, I'm gonna just quick screenshot. I'm just gonna highlight that message and then screenshot it. And I'm gonna keep it on my desktop, and I'll send a report to them later. Yeah. I'll screenshot that too. All right, there. I'll send it to the devs later. All right, so let's look at Virtual DJ. Let's see what happens. So how do we use Virtual DJ? Local music. Music. Do I set up a... Hold on. Oh, he sent me a file on... Okay, he sent it to me on WhatsApp. Hold on a second, guys. Give me a second here. What's up, Mixasa? All right. I'm gonna download this M3U file. How do I download it? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Save. Okay. Anthony, let me know. Is it cool? Can I look at this M3U file on stream? Oh, actually, probably. I mean, it's just a playlist of one of your streams, right? There's nothing like crazy in here, right? It's not a virus or anything, right? Okay. All right, so let's see. So here are the files. Okay, and do you know which ones didn't work? Oh, you sent me a folder with it before? Okay, wait, let me look at there. Just scroll up. Okay. There's the Google Drive folder. Okay, I see this. Hold on. Download. I see a major problem in this. I already see a major problem with this this folder of tracks. There's not a single child track in any of this folder, dude. I'm kidding. I'm downloading the folder. Hold on. Your fans are blaming. All right, hold on a second. It's still downloading these tracks. So what I need to do here, let me think here. I'll make a folder on the desktop, xp_music. All right, so I just downloaded all the files. I'm just unzipping it now. All right, so let's move all this shit over. All right, delete the zip file because we don't need the zip file anymore. Okay, so these are all these tracks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna modify this M3U list so that instead of it being on D drive, it's gonna be, I'm gonna point it to these files. I'm just gonna have to find them manually, I guess. All right, let's do it manually real quick. 140 Claire Yates. Okay, so here's one. Copy that. I'm making a playlist of these files themselves. 02 1135. Okay, copy, paste. All right, Richard Durand, Suzanne Ellsworth, this one. Okay, I think I'll just do 3 just to see what happens first. All right, so that's saved. Oops, wrong window. Where's my terminal? Oh, it's behind the chat room. All right, so now we're going to replace. All right. So that should work. Yeah. All right, so we'll save this as test M3U. All right, so let's go into virtual DJ. What we're going to basically do. Let me quit virtual DJ real quick. Quit. Where does the virtual DJ store its stuff again? Does it put it into documents or music? Or is it put in some funky ass place now? It goes into application support now? Yeah, it does. Virtual DJ. No, that's not it. Where the fuck is it stored now? Because they just recently changed the location of the file, right? Virtual DJ. M3 parser. There's a folder for this. Search history path. Oh wait, here. Documents. App data. Oh, I don't remember anymore. Documents virtual DJ. No, they changed it. So if on the new version, it has a new place, and I upgraded the new version, I reinstalled it, so it's actually in a new place. So it checks in 2 places now. And I had to write code for that. Search path. Oh wait, search history path, app data, or documents path. Yeah, okay, app data is in resolve app data. Oh, wait. So it has to keep it in. Oh, fuck, I forgot where app data is now. Hold on a second. Electron app data. Library application support. App data path. Or documents. Hold on, I gotta figure out exactly where to throw this M3U file now. Application. Library application support. the M3U file, it immediately picked up on it. So let me just grab one of the other files, or one of the other songs. Okay, I'm gonna drag this Ilan Bluestone track and hit the play button on Virtual DJ. And I forget what time I have it set for. What's the setting in? Also, this one is not logged in my playlist. History delay, 5 seconds. Wait a second, it's playing, but it didn't show up. Let me just check the M3U file first. Okay, so here's the... Okay, it shows up in the M3U file. Huh. What the fuck is going on? Okay, it didn't show up. Hold on. Let me restart the app again. See what happens. Well, JavaScript is not usually the problem. It might be the problem might be the programmer. Okay. New track. No, it should handle WAV files better. Huh. Hold on. I'm gonna grab something. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay. So I think there's a bug because that something should have happened. New track, use file location, and then no update. Oh, did you ever see the? You remember when Twitch's source code got leaked? So somebody hacked into Twitch, and Oh my god, I hate WordPress. God, I hated that. WordPress was the worst. I hated every minute of it. Okay. Nope. Okay. So that's valid. Fuck, it would be really nice if I could just fix this stupid thing again. Why doesn't this? Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can fix something because this doesn't. I don't know why it doesn't work.
I see how things go now.
Ah,
You just used me for my thrills.
debugger work or not? Probably not.
Go ahead and keep on dancing.
Okay. So I know I get through. We get through this function. Okay, new track. It's showing a new track.
Cause I got the pills.
Somewhere in here it doesn't. Okay. It should be able to get through that. How many times have we heard this fucking song? Hurry up, switch song. I wonder if it can't parse it and dies. Hold on a second. Hold on. Let's comment that out for a second. Nope. Okay, that's not the problem. That's not the problem either. I'm tracking this down, guys. Hold on. I'm tracking down to figure out where exactly it's going wrong. We definitely hit the bug. Nope. It gets all the way there. Unless... Hold on, I gotta fake this. Now playing DJ app processes, DJ apps. do it this way. Give me a second here. Take force mode out. Yeah, this microphone is probably picking up every last thing that I'm doing, including eating chips. It's ASMR. We'll just change the stream to ASMR. Okay. Come on. Okay. What the fuck? That's super weird. New track. ID. Wait a fucking minute. Wait a fucking minute. Oh, shit! That's what's wrong. Okay. Okay, wait. Why? So, okay, so here's the problem. Ha, weirdo. Okay, so definitely it's picking up the M3U file. It's reading the ID3 tags. And then the next step it does that is that it sends all that data to something I call the track history, track history module. What the track history module does is that it checks to make sure that it isn't a repeat of the last song. And if it's not a repeat, right, for some reason, like if like the application decides to send data, the same data twice, if it's not a repeat, then it takes the information that the DJ app has given it, runs it through, you know, pulls out the album art, gets all the metadata, formats it, and then it sends it on to the UI. The way it knows whether or not a track has been played or not is that it gives it an ID number. And that ID number is a computed number. And I just noticed, if you look closely, so here is new track. So it picked up the new track. It's right there. And the ID number with that starts with CFA. And the current track is still CFA. So somehow the ID numbers are matching, which they should not have matched, which is why it never updates. Okay, so it comes down to an ID number. Why? All right. Okay. All right. Will Smith, shut up. We've heard you already, dude. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else because I'm getting tired of your shit. Clear the playlist. Yes. Track title. All right. I'll just put all this shit in here and autoplay. Autoplay. Good enough. It can't have anything to do with the numbers on the file. No, it has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you. This is definitely internal to the app itself. The ID. So ID numbers are computed, and they're computed to be specifically unique per track. So every time you change a track, that ID number has to change with that track. So if you happen to play the exact same track twice, like let's say for example, on deck 1 you play a track, and then on deck 2 you play it again, right? Technically, what'll happen is NowPlaying won't pick that up as a new update. Even though you technically actually played the same song twice, it won't pick it up because technically when it updates the screen, it's the exact same metadata, so it's not going to change the screen. It's not supposed to. It's basically Now Playing doesn't update the screen unless the metadata has changed, right? And again, it knows that by computing basically a unique ID number. So why is this ID number the same? Get latest track. Parse interview file. Where do I compute the ID number in for virtual DJ? Read file sync. For each line, MD5, return tracks. Okay. If not, this history file parse enter you files with length. Get latest track. On tracing backwards now. If tracks of length, give you the last one. Oh, here. ID is the MD5, but artist, title, and remix. The artist and title and remix changed. So that doesn't make any sense. This last ID. What the fuck? This is supposed to work. If track ID is equal to the last ID returned, it's not. Unless I recompute ID? I can't have possibly recomputed ID. Hold on. Logger.debug. **ID. Track.id. Alright. Let's run. Sorry, I'm not changing. I'm not looking at exactly the chat room. What? Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, that's fine. So let's play another song. I don't know whatever the song is. Play. After 5 seconds, it should pick up a new. Come on, virtual DJ. Come on. No. Motherfucker. What? Okay, wait, it might, is it here? Hold on, logger debug. This.last ID, vdj ID is equal to vdj track.id. All right, I wonder if the problem is there. Why are they the same? This should change. Oops, hold on a second. The thing is, the MD5 compiled on ID3 tags and artist and title and remix will be 0 for both of them. No, that's not true. So the ID3, the MD5 hash of in this case is a concatenation of or is it balls? Hold on a second. I just had it. Get latest chart. Fucking hell. Come on. Parse M3U. Track artist, track title, and track remix. The track title changed, so therefore the MD5 has to change. Unless it's in a place where unless the string is empty before it gets there, which means it's just basically in the wrong, it's doing it at the wrong time. Because if it's getting it from the file name, let me try this again. Remember, I'm not looking at what virtual DJ is doing. Remember, this code doesn't actually know anything about what virtual DJ is doing. The only thing it knows is whatever's in that M3U file. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. It's computing the MD5 at the wrong time. So I have a solution to this problem. Let me see something real quick. Got it. Just make it off the file location. Or the whole thing. You're right, it is 0. What I should have done is MD5 hash on more different keys instead. So stringify. I could make it do the MD5 hash later, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna, because this is just a simple fix if I just do the MD5 hash on the full thing. Run. What's up, Neil? All right. I matter to you. Change. Yep. Okay. Clean up time. So it was kind of a twofold problem. One, it's a WAV file. Two, it's computing the MD5 earlier than it detects the fact that it was a WAV file. And then 3, it basically MD5 hashes on blank information, which means that it gets the same ID number every single time. So none of this stuff matters. All this other code that I have here, which doesn't matter. And I'll leave this out. Yeah, just fucking leave it. So wait, let me go back, rip out all the bullshit that I made. So this, we don't need, we can discard this change. Yep, so it comes down to one bug. One line of code. That's the fix. Okay, close. All right, let's run it again. I'm gonna run it again. Throw some of Anthony's files in there. Which also makes sense why nothing ever shows up in the debug log. Okay. Crate 1. I'm just gonna play some random song. I don't know whatever song here is in here. Play. Five seconds, come on. There, okay. So that changed. Pick this Roger Shaw track. You and I, yep, okay. Yeah, okay. There's a Factor B track, which is 900 minutes long. Yep, 9.5 minutes long. It's a Factor B track. Okay. I think that does it. Uh, uh, do I want to install? What kind of option is that? Don't install. Install when I quit. Install and relaunch. How about like delay because I'm fucking using it to stream, you stupid app. Yeah, don't install now. Gummy dummies. The fuck kind of option is that? Would you like not to install it or install it now? No, I want to install it later. There's no option to do it later. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, you wanted me to try that other track. Where's okay? Here, actually, I'll turn on the now playing thingy. Chat tracks when I'm playing them. All right, so okay, here's the Arctic Moon Zyron Pitch Extended Remix. 5 seconds, right? Arctic Moon featuring Jessica Lowe. Okay, yeah, got that one. Where's the that one you said something Tuesday 8 p.m. Okay, I'll play that now. Five seconds. It just says Zyron Pitch. It's whatever this file name was, Tuesday 8 p.m. was. That's the name of the file. What is this? 8B Zyron Pitch Tuesday 8 p.m. Let me just look at all. Let me look at this. Tuesday 8 p.m. You had your thing was, where's your file name? The file name actually is .007 007-140-8B. What's the 07 for? Is that just like literally just a number? Is that what that means? Like it was like a track order, a sequence order? Okay. I'm just trying to think here for a second. So if I go to now playing, go to the track cleaner, custom regex filter. Do I apply that at the beginning or apply it at the end? I don't remember. Apply filters. Okay, so it applies the regex last. Yeah, it applies regex last. So so let me do this. Launch.js, no. npx ts node. Where's it, Mocha? Oh. Yeah, okay. So, source main metadata apply filters test. Oh, do I hit the TS Mocha? Okay, there. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can fix this fucking thing. I'm gonna find out if I can. I'm trying to figure out if I can do something for you, dude. The titles are making me crazy. Oh. So artist should be this, and title should be that. Oh, save it. Stupid. All right. You got to run. Yeah, I'll fix this later. So I know why it does this now. So the only option is order tracks before a set and give them a number so the BD will display them in order. Yeah, okay. Camelot keys are done with. Mixed in key. Mixed in key regex. What if I take this out? If I take this part out, if I take this part out and run, I'm gonna see if I can fix this, tell him what to do to fix this. Because his track name, the way he names tracks is totally different. So, come on, dude. Hold on a second. I'll figure this out. I'll figure this out. Use file location. Okay, yeah, fine. Play this track here. Okay, that's good. Play this one, which is the problem. This one was a problem. No, wait. Yeah, fine. Play this one. I bet if I just took the carrot out, it would work better. Yep. Let's try this Tuesday 8 p.m. one again. Ha! Okay, that does it. Okay, that'll fix it for Anthony. Yeah. So all I had to do was take the carrot, just take the carrot out. Allow mixing key regex to be not lead. Just revert this change, discard chain. Okay, so we fixed that one. So it'll be a little bit smarter. It's a little bit smarter. Cool. Now the question is why. The other stupid thing is why did my app try to build two versions on Mac? I wasn't supposed to do that. Whatever. Fuck it. Yarn package. Yeah, so the problem with the M2 or the new Apple Silicon version is that under the hood, I use an older library for to read SQL databases, and that old library doesn't allow or doesn't have an M2 pre-compiled version, so I have to compile a version and then bundle it in order to make an M1 version. So instead of doing that, I just go, okay, you know what, forget it, just make it a universal app for now, and that's why just one Mac app that works on both. But at some point I have to upgrade that old library, and then I have to compile an M1 version and then test it. And that's the one library that's in this app that is such a pain in the ass. It's the SQL library uses native code, and it's just having that in my app is a pain in the ass to compile, and it's really fiddly. If you don't get it right, then it like won't compile, and it's stupid. No, it's not SQL. It's not the MySQL. It's the library. It's the native dependency library for reading SQL databases. You see this error right here? The pre-built binaries may be out of date. That's specifically with SQLite 3. See that? So I just have to update it, and upgrading that library always causes problems every single time. And it causes problems to the point where it takes me like a whole afternoon just to figure out what the fuck is going on with that stupid binary. And I just didn't want to do it. Delphi. No. You know what? I'm just gonna go back to Lotus 123. It's much easier. By the way, I'm sorry I missed that. Buddha, thank you so much for the resubscribe for 23 months. DJ Save, thank you for the follow. And Miss J Davis, thank you also for the follow. I just noticed that on the screen, so I'm so sorry. But thank you guys. All right, let's compile a Windows version. Did I upload? Yeah, I did. Lotus 123 or you know what I should do? I should just rewrite this entire app in HyperCard. How's that? I don't have a CI/CD process for this. That's the other thing. Like that's something I would have liked to do, but it would take me a whole day to do it just to figure out how to get a CI/CD process working for this thing, and I was like, meh, fuck it. So like a CI/CD process where I would where essentially like I would just have all I have to do is push the code to the repository, tag it, and then it would automatically compile everything on a server for me, and then it would upload it to the internet and then put it on the website and everything. Like, so it's literally all I have to do one thing and it just automates all the other stuff. But right now I haven't done that, so I have to do it all manually. What's the user variable? Curly bracket user curly bracket. It'll show up in the app. When you go with the app, it'll give you the it'll give you the default template. All right. Oh shoot! Now I got to pull down. Crap! I uploaded it too soon. So I got to pull down the old versions. Before I do that though, I have to change the screen. Because the activation server and where the downloads are the same actual server. So can't show you that part. I gotta delete these artifacts here first. Yeah, releases. Take this one, delete. Right. Two, three, one. Okay, cool. All right, there we go. So we should be able to deploy now. 2.3.2-beta.1 beta channel. There's definitely a couple pieces of code here that are pretty over-engineered. And to undo it would take a lot of work, and I'm like, I don't want to do that much work right now. So yeah, and because I changed the order of the metadata, I want to put I would have put this out as just a straight version 2.3.2, but because there's a couple changes in here which I want to see out in the wild to make sure it works, I'm gonna release it as a beta first and let you guys play with it first, and then you got to let me know if something weird happens. I don't think so, but you know, it should be okay. Five platforms. How many? What do you, 5 platforms? Linux, Mac, Windows, ARM64, Nintendo. Like, what's the 5th platform? Android? Well, there can only if it's mobile devices, it's iOS, Android, BlackBerry. OS2. OS2. Ahead of its game. That was ahead of its game. (2.3.1 dash beta 1). 2.3. Oh no, 3.2. 3.2 beta 1. 3.2 beta 1. All right. Let's see, what did we do today? Fixed issue with WAV file not getting picked up in virtual DJ. Oh, actually, we added some new features, didn't we? Okay, so new features. What was the new feature? What do we do? What are the things we do today? We added now playing admin command for Twitch. And what else did we do? Oh yeah, we fixed that. Fixed issue where oh yes, and we added where user variable didn't work. Added separate template for track ID command for Twitch. All right. Release date. Today is January 21st at 6:00 p.m. on the beta channel. Publish. NowPlaying.com/beta. One 3.2.1 beta, 3.2.1 beta max. Let's just make sure the download works. Okay, that works. And this one, now it works. Okay. I think that's that. Go back to Discord. Go to my thing. Where's my thing? Beta downloads. Let's see. Update 2.3.2 beta 1. Now playing 2.com/beta. Added the now playing commit. Added. I should also put a thing here that says made Novicious Code happy because I made the buttons are smaller now and don't look as ugly. $14.18. That number was like 1,200 the last time I saw it. Jeez. 1418 people in my Discord. All right. Wings, that sounds familiar. There was flying game. Oh. Oh, it just died. My AirPod just died. My one AirPod died. Old games on Amiga. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Let's see here. Okay. Well, there it is. We have a new version of Now Playing Out. Has some bug fixes for Twitch, and some bug fixes for Virtual DJ. Hopefully it'll work out. We'll see how that works out. See if it works, if people like it or not. And things happen. Hopefully nothing will happen. I think for now, I'm gonna get offline because I have dishes to do and laundry to do, and I gotta clean this place up because there's an empty box of Pop-Tarts sitting on my desk. See? Ah! That was graceful. All right, let's find you guys a raid target. Oh, it's actually 6, so that's cool. Let me find you a raid target. You guys want to go with music, or do you want to go with hit your face for good content? That is, yes. Lindsay's on a birthday stream. Am I following that? Hey, thanks for hanging out, guys. I'm looking for Lindsay's on her birthday stream. Let's see. Where did that go? Where I just saw it on the screen. Oh, here. Oh, he's got some music. Okay, cool. Yeah, why not? Ah. Oh, Lindsay uses Now Playing. Nice. Okay, cool. We're going. We'll go there. Oh, paste. Okay. I don't have an ending screen, which I have to fix, but that's fine. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us and me. Yeah, there's a lot of DJs on Twitch who don't have it, and I'm very upset about that. No. They just probably don't know about it. But thanks guys for hanging out. This is just something I did anyway on Sunday, so it'll be cool. Be back again tomorrow. What is the time? What time? 1 o'clock as usual for our normal Sunday afternoon streams for more music. Yeah, I don't normally do this kind of a stream, so this is, I think the last time I did this was like months and months and months and months ago. So, I don't know, it's just something different for today. So I hope you guys liked it. Arptrix, what's up, my man? Yeah, it's been a while since we did something like this, but I figured I was working anyway, so it is what it is. Well, time to work on the lights. I know this is a little long. Hey, take care, guys. I'll see you later. All right.